I get a shot of it, piston fluid?
Yeah.
Okay. So we found this problem yesterday, and it is, I don't even see where you see it up in here, bud. Is it on the bottom or up top?
See the end of that cylinder?
Yeah, it's not pissing. Oh yeah. Yeah, it's hit it again. So so that's putting kind of a hold in our plans to go scrap the other blue crane. Hello there. Not the best thing on the planet. It's a good crane. It's worked for now. It's actually worked for a long time. Take some hydraulic lines off, try to figure out if we can drop the counterweight. And then, what?
Then go to town. You gotta figure out how to cap off these brake lines. Probably these two back ones and just have the front brakes.
Yeah.
Because this side, so. Has depicted here. Kind of wet, so those need to get capped off. And there's like a manifold block that has the lines in each one. We just need to cap those off. These lines look like they're, I mean, not anymore, but at least they don't leak. They look like they've been replaced. But those, that side's definitely original because they're
Right.
together.
You talk about the plate you made for the front.
Well, I fire it up and
If you want to.
so these pieces here, these 6 legs used to be on the back of the bucket. Now this one's broken because somebody else went and tried to weld this and it's kind of clapped. So that'll need some help, but just took some shaft and made some pieces so that these forks hook in there. And then the bucket will also be able to hook in here too. Once I make the mounts for that. And then put the bucket on, and I got the bale spears over there.
Gotcha. Very cool.
Battery disconnect. I should have got the yellow seat.
Oh, that, hey, stop.
Hmm?
That rat's nest is in the air cleaner.
Oh, the air cleaner's not hooked up.
Well, what is all this? That just come out of the cleaner. You only got one. Oops. That was lighter than I thought it was gonna be. Try that. There you go. So there's line number 1 that we're replacing. Line 2. This one goes into there.
I don't know. Well, sometimes I wish I had just bought an Xbox and just played. This is stupid. Sometimes I wish I had just bought an Xbox and just. No. Stop pissing anytime.
Damn.
Vice grip. Oh, I don't have any vice grip. Dude.
Really? Oh my god.
Weird. Like quarter-inch brake line fitting. Oh wow. Well, yeah, that would explain why it's got a leak. Look at that. Gnarly.
Got our hydraulic lines made, at least one of them. So,
I got that.
and then the other one's the Big R Special. One on the arm?
Probably, because there's not a lot of space.
I'm just spinning it on. Spin.
Whoa, there it goes. That'll get rid of some weight. I had to take a leak.
Just a little bit, huh? Did you get all those lines tight?
Yeah.
Guess I'll bring my trouble light back on. Damn, I gotta put that panel back on. Time for me to slam these bolts in so that no one can ever take them off again.
please. Oh yeah. I permanently have a 10mm on the brake bleed thing of my truck.
Oh yeah?
On one of them, yeah.
That's nice.
It's pretty decent. Okay, so now, why would they make something that can't even make a 90-degree bend?
All right, that's tight.
Both of them?
Yes.
You're not supposed to blow it out with oxygen. Shut up. I can leave this thing up. I have to edit this part out. Take the first time I ever recorded. The thing just got so light. Dude, look how high it looks in the back now. It looks tight. Oh
I can't even hear what he's saying. Whatever, dude. That was a lot easier than I thought it was gonna be.